Hi, I'm Natalia Jacobowitz, a product manager at Viam, and I'm here to show you how you can easily publish a module to extend Viam's functionality to multiple platforms at once. Here we have my Wi-Fi Sensor 2 module, and we'll go to the Docs page. There we'll navigate to update an existing module using GitHub Action, and we'll follow the instructions there. It tells us to use Actions on GitHub, so we'll go there. We'll find Actions on the top, click on that, New Workflow, and then set up a workflow yourself. From there, we'll go back to the docs and copy the code from there to paste that into the action. And we'll commit changes to save them. Going back to the docs, the next step, we copy the code for build, which lets us define which architectures we want to build for. Then we go to our meta.json, edit it, and add this new section that we'll copy over, which says Linux AMD 64, Linux ARM 64, and also Darwin ARM 64. Then we commit changes there, save them, and go back to the docs for the next step. Here we need to get our API key that we will use in secrets and variables afterwards. So I copy my org ID from the settings page. Now I'm going to run that CLI command in my terminal. I already have the org ID pasted in, and here I get the key ID and key value, which we'll use momentarily. So following the next steps, I go back to GitHub, I go to settings, navigate to secrets and variables, actions, and then add a new repository secret. Now I'll add the name and secret. So the secret I get from the output of the CLI command, I copy it and paste it in. And I also need to add the name, which is VM key ID. And I add the secret. I'll repeat that one more time for the other one. So new repository secret. I go copy over VM key value as the name, paste that in. Then I go back to the terminal to copy the key value secret and paste that in. Add secret. Now I go back to the documentation and we'll create a new release. So I go to the code tab, click releases, draft new release. I add the tag 0.0.4 since that's what I'm up to. I give it a title. I'll call this initial release, and I publish release. So now I'll go to the Actions tab to see how it's running. I click Update Meta.json, which is the most recent one, and if I click Publish, I can see the status. I'll skip ahead so you don't have to watch it running. So we skip ahead, takes about 5 minutes, and it's done. So now I do Viam module update to get the link to my module in the registry. I paste it in, and here we go. We can see we have Linux AMD 64, Linux ARM 64, and Darwin ARM 64.